Hi, my name is Hasher. Today I'm going to be talking about cancer. Not a lot of people know about cancer, or they have heard about it but don't know about its devastating effects. Did you know cancer affects half Americans each year? According to the global burden of cancer, tens of tens of millions of people are diagnosed with cancer around the world, and more than half of the patients eventually die from it. So let's talk about what cancer really is. So, in the human body, cancer can develop from epithelial cells of many organs and tissues. The general term of cancer refers to the wide group of diseases that can affect an organ and the system of the human body. In fact, the zodiac sign of cancer is the crab, in which the head of the crab represents the tumor itself and the legs of the crab represents the cancer spreading throughout the body. Terms such as malignant tumors, which is a bad form of the tumor that does not have a capsule around it. A benign tumor does have a capsule around it, which help keep all the dangerous sediments inside the tumor. A malignant tumor does not have a capsule around it, so a lot of the parts of the tumor breaks down and goes into the bloodstream and can damage other parts of the body. Sort of off topic, but an easy way to remember those terms is by looking at the root of the word. For example, in the word malignant, mal in Latin means bad, and in the word ben in benign in Latin means good. So you could distinguish those two whenever you come across that word in a hospital or like in a textbook or something. But on topic again, terms such as malignant tumors and benign are also used to denote this category of diseases. One of the characteristics feature of cancer is the rapid multiplication of abnormal cells that grow beyond the normal boundaries and are able to penetrate into the surrounding tissue, um, as well as migrate into other organs, which is called metastasis. Metasize, actually, I'm sorry. So, metasize is basically when there's a tumor, for example, in your neck, and that tumor it breaks down into little pieces and it enters the blood flow. And as you know, the blood flow goes through all your body. So that little piece of tumor can start right here on your neck and then go into the bloodstream and affect maybe somewhere on your foot, on your hand. So yeah, that's metastasize is the leading cause of cancer deaths around the world. So everyone should pay attention to the pain and other symptoms because the earlier the examination is carried out, the more chances that the disease will be cured. Mutations of the cells, genomes, according to the modern medicine, can occur under the influence of a number of factors. The main one of heredity, genetic predisposition, exposure to a variety of physical and chemical carcinogenic factors, food with added synthetic preservatives, stabilizers, colors, GMOs, alcohol, and viruses. And something upon my research, I found something very interesting and scary. The Lunchable snacks you pack for your child contains a high amount of carcinogens. According to the World Health Organization, consumption of processed meat is a carcinogenic as carcinogenic as tobacco, smoking, and asbestos, which means that meat in Lunchable snacks are in the same factor as cigarettes. So that's kind of really interesting and scary at the same time, and the thing we should be aware of. Early detections of treatment of cancer can reduce associated mortality. Breast, prostate, stomach, skin cancer are the most diagnosed type of cancer these days. So medicine always seek ways to preventing the development of the diseases. The most common ones are the exclusion of smoking and alcohol beverage, constant weight control and poor nutrition, maintaining physical activity, and reducing harmful factors such as pollution. In addition, there is a fairly high probability of successful reduction in mortality. As a result of early detection and treatment cancer, I urge you all to keep that in mind and go through screenings regularly. So thanks for listening.